Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Poly camera system right here. It's the lens, it's the P5, Poly Studio P5, and there's the quick start guide, and it's a nice little small box. We have it attached to the top of right here, and as you can see, showing on FaceTime, of course you can turn this around and shoot it towards yourself, but this also works great with conferences that you're remote recording, and we have it hooked up via USB-A right here to this Hyper Media USB-C hub right there. See it? Has a bunch of ports right there. You can also use that with an iPad Pro, but we have it plugged in to the USB-C port on this MacBook Air, and then this is the USB-A port right here. So you can do your video right here with FaceTime, or you can use the camera that's on your computer. Some of the cameras that are on your computer are very small and the microphones are not so great, even with the new Apple MacBook Airs. So you get something like the P5 Studio and you get much better quality video. It also has a turnable piece right here that shuts the lens off. As you can see, it's gone completely black. Now I'm going to turn it back on, and now you have it back in here. So to select that, under the video menu, we're going to get a little bit closer to see that. You can select the Poly Studio P5 webcam for the microphone and for the camera right here. So you select those, both of those options right there under the video menu in FaceTime, and then you can use it with your computer. So you can use this on Windows and Mac, and I have it hooked up to the Hyper Media USB-C hub right here. And it's very simple. You plug it in and you get the options immediately with the computer and the software. It's very easy on the Mac and PC. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.